it's me, KristinCena. Welcome to another episode of Bellabox Unboxing. So for today's video, I'm going to show you the things that I'll be receiving for this month's box. And guess what? This is the look that I created with the things that was in the box. If Bellabox is new to you, it is a monthly subscription box. You just pay 19.95 Australian dollars. It's available in Australia and New Zealand, and you can actually go to their website. I will be linking them down in the description box. So without further ado, let's get into it. Here is the box, guys, and now I'm gonna open it. Well, I'm actually surprised that for the December box it's in blue, so I actually have the red one from last year. So I don't know, and they just gave blue Bella boxes for December. Upon opening, you will see the card. It says, "All I want for Christmas is you." So that's the theme for this month. It's all about Christmas. And at the back part of the card, you will see here are the details of what you're receiving, also the prices. And whoo, yay! I have an idea on what I'm going to receive. That's why I am barefaced, and it's mostly makeup products. And actually, I'm sleepy. I just slept for a short time. That's why we need makeup. First item we have here, Model Rock Base Maker. This is a Pro Beauty Sponge. Ooh, blendable coverage. It's black. Wow, it's so soft. I received another blender from Look Fantastic, and it is a little bit stiff. Where is it? So here it is. It's still damp, guys. That's why it's a little bit big, but even if this was dry, this would probably be bigger compared to this. But I noticed right away how soft this is, and I'm excited to try this one out. What I'm gonna do, half of my face I'm gonna use with this one, and then half of my face I'm gonna try to use it with the Look Fantastic Beauty Blender. And I don't know, we'll see if there's a difference or not. This is the first layer, and I immediately noticed, I don't know if it's because this is a little bit damp and this one is dry, but I think this side right here has more coverage compared to this one. It's like I need more coverage here. Okay, so I'm gonna balance it out and just put some more on this side. The beauty sponge costs $16.95. Wow, it's expensive. But I really love this one. For the next product that I'm gonna show you, we have here the Style London All-in-One Face Quad Palette. I'm so glad. I love the packaging. Just look at that. It's got that floral detail at the border of the palette. This actually cost $32, guys. Like, wow. So here are the colors. It's so pretty. We got pink for the blush, and we have highlighter. Highlighter's like bronzer as well. I was expecting this to have a contour. So it's just blush, highlighter, bronzer, and then banana powder. So I wished they just put a contour in this and not the banana. But, well, let's try to use this one. for the highlight, there is this Bellabox fun brush. I'm gonna use this one, guys. This cost $15. Wow. I'm sorry, guys, if I just get so surprised with the pricing. I don't know, because there are just some brushes that I really love, like Eco Tools, Real Techniques, and this is kind of like, this is $15 and like almost same price with those, if not more expensive this month. So I'm just a little bit surprised. This is actually a custom made fan brush and is a must for elevating your highlight game. So I'm gonna use the highlight. But I can see it here. It's really capturing the lights, which is why it's called highlight, but it's so good. Wow, I like this quad palette. I really love this. I'm actually surprised. I was like not really confident with this one because I received from the past Bellabox their eyeshadow palette and I never liked it at all. This is what I used for my eyes and I don't know, I just don't feel this one. So this one I so like these. We have Neutrogena makeup removing cleansing towelettes. This is not new. You can actually buy this like pretty much your grocery store, like your nearest grocery store. The full price of this one is $7.99 and it has 25 wipes. This one is a gentle makeup remover, clinically proven to remove even the most stubborn makeup with a single wipe. Okay, so I actually have not used any Neutrogena products at all. Never. So this is good to try on. You know, I love my simple wipes and we don't know, I might shift to this if I like this one. And next product is this Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula Antioxidant Firming Lotion. This is a sample size, 11 ml. So if you want to purchase a full size, it's 250 ml and cost $10. This has coconut oil and is an antioxidant firming lotion. Oh, I forgot to finish my look. I need lipstick. I don't know if this is a good choice. Last but not the least, this is a bonus product. This is the Maui Moisture for dry damaged hair. This is a shea butter shampoo. I'm really eyeing on getting this product. I already ran out of my shampoo just today and I want to try the Maui one. There was a sale but I did not buy and now it's not on sale again. Okay, so I want to try this, and which is really a good timing, so I would have a first-hand experience on how this would really feel on my hair. Well, that's all that I got. So out of the 5 products, guys, I got 4 that is a full size. Well, you cannot really say this is a full size, you know. I would rate this month's box a 9 out of 10 because I'm just so happy I got this 3 amazing products. This is absolutely my favorite among all the things that I received today, and actually kind of like compared to the last time, like the last month, which is November. So that completes this video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, comment and like, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.